Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily link your Instagram account to your Facebook profile, so let's jump right into it. Now let's say I want to link this Instagram account right here. All I need to do is to go ahead and open my Facebook app and then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. From here I tap on my name. Once I access my profile, tap on edit profile right here. In this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on add next to links. From here, tap on add social link. Tap on the platform and pick the platform that you want. In this case, it is Instagram. Now here in the username text box, all I need to do is type in my Instagram account username. This one right here at the top left corner of my Instagram account. Now I have to memorize it and I go ahead and type it in right here, just like that. Now before I go ahead and save it, tap right here and then pick who can see your profile link. Once you're done from that, tap on save in the top right corner. Go back to your profile and drag from the top of the screen to refresh the profile. And as you can see here, the link has been added, and that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.